Here's how to create a new web gallery in VScape. Once you've logged into your VScape account and selected the appropriate property, click on the vBrochure tab in the middle pane. Then click the Web Galleries tab in the right pane. Click Create New Gallery at the bottom of the right pane, and an overlay opens, allowing you to specify the gallery theme, as well as the size and the colors to match the style of the web page in which the gallery will appear. Start by giving the gallery a name. This name won't be seen by viewers, but it will be used for tracking and reporting, so make the name descriptive enough that you'll be able to identify it later. We recommend using a standard naming convention so that as you create multiple galleries, they're easy to identify in the list and in your reporting. Next, select one of the 4 themes available in the drop-down menu. As you select the options, the preview pane on the right will update so you can get a sense of what the gallery will look like. The next option is the background color. By default, the transparent box is checked. And the advantage to transparency is that the background of the gallery will match the background of the page it's embedded on exactly, so it looks seamless. However, if you'd rather have your gallery stand out a little bit as a separate object, then you can choose a background color by unchecking that transparency box. And then you can either choose a color from the palette, or you can enter a 6-digit hex code to match the colors exactly. Your webmaster can provide you with hex codes for the colors that are used on your hotel's website. The next option is to specify the selected tab color. This is the color of the bar that appears underneath the currently selected tab when you're hovering the mouse pointer over the tab, or the color of the text at the tab text for the edge and frame themes. Again, you can choose a color from the palette, or be more specific and supply a hex code in the available field. Choose the font that most closely resembles the font used on your website, and then specify a color for the font when it's not selected. Be sure you choose a color that will have enough contrast from the background so that you can still read the text. Next, specify the dimensions for the gallery in pixels. You can change these dimensions at any time, so if you're not sure of what to put in here, then just leave the length and width as is until you see the web gallery on your page, or you can talk to your webmaster about what the correct dimensions should be. And you can come back and edit this later. The final selection is for the share button that appears at the bottom of the web gallery. This button allows viewers to instantly share a particular image that they are viewing via Facebook, Twitter, Google+, Pinterest, and other social media sites. So we recommend that you leave this button on. However, if you decide that you want to disable it, just click the box to disable it. And when you're finished editing all these parameters, you can click Create New Gallery at the bottom of the overlay. The overlay closes, and you'll see your new gallery ready to customize and install in the drop-down list at the top of the right pane.